Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. I've got a strange parcel and it's a mystery. I have a mystery parcel and I'll explain a bit more about that in a sec. But if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll be informed when there are new videos. Now I believe there's yarn in this pack and as you can see it's pretty stuffed, pretty big. So looking at the company name, I don't recognise it. But the strangest thing is, it's sent to my maiden name. My maiden name that I haven't used since 1980. No, 1984. So that's bizarre, isn't it? Now, did I order something? Totally forget that I'd ordered it. Did I order it in my maiden name? Or what is going on? And I don't really want to cut anything vital. There we are. Goodness, there's more. What on earth is this? That's strange. Okay, so I've got a little letter. Is it happy mail? Immediate media. Oh, hang on, this looks like a free gift. Mystery solved. Mystery solved. Where's my light? It's here just now. There it is. It's a free gift for signing up. There we go. Now I know. But why my maiden name? I don't understand it. So this is Stylecraft Playful Posy Yarn Packs. And this is said, we're delighted to enclose the items listed below for your convenience. And this is for becoming a subscriber to, I believe, Crochet Now. I could be wrong. Let's get in. Oh, I am intrigued now. I am indeed intrigued. So, there we go. It's stuffed full. Oh, there's two. I think it was one of those occasions where you've got all the yarn to make something. Right, let's get rid of that. Okay, so now they're really, really taped together. So, and there's a, oh, better be really careful there. So here we go. We have Stylecraft Special Aran and these patterns. So this comes with it, these patterns to make this blanket and cushion. Oh, it must open up a big, yeah, there we go. Opens right up. So there's lots and lots of illustrations and pictures and everything there. And all of the colours and all of the yarn to make this is in this pack. Wow. You know, that was so long ago, I totally forgot all about it. Look, there's two lots of all of these colours. And it's the Stylecraft Special Aran. So let's just get one. Oh, that's a nice colour, isn't it? That's beautiful. So what have we got? We have shade Magenta 1084. And obviously Stylecraft Special Aran, 100% premium acrylic, approximately 196 metres or 214 yards, and it's naturally anti-pilling. Wow, I like that. Isn't that a beautiful colour? So I think there's double packs, so there should be two of these. And then there's this colour. That's a nice colour, isn't it? That's beautiful. I like that colour. So it's all Special Aran, all 196 metres, 214 yards and premium acrylic. But this one is called Sage 1725 Sage. That's a lovely colour. I really like that one. Nice. I've got that luminous chin again. I have to just put up with it, I'm afraid, because what colour is this one? Let's see. What do they call it? Upside down, of course. Wouldn't be me otherwise. This is teal. 1062 teal. That's a nice colour too, isn't it? Some pretty colours in this. Nice pink. All the same dimensions so don't need to keep reading that out. All special Aran premium acrylic. This is called Fondant 1241. That's dreamy. I like these two best at the moment. But isn't that lovely? Fondant. Obviously a strawberry fondant, if it's a fondant, not a chocolate one. So we have an orange, which isn't too bright and in your face. Sometimes they're a bit luminous, I find, orange. This one's quite normal orange. And this is called Spice. 1711 Spice. They're all really well kind of sturdy, well-packed balls, I have to say. We've got a bit of a mustard one. Although it's very bright. I like it though. And this one is called Mustard. Well, I never did. 1823 Mustard. Wow. I didn't imagine I'd get such a lot of yarn. It's incredible. So we've got a very, very pale kind of duck egg blue. It's called duck egg. Shade 1820 duck egg. It's very, very pale for duck egg even, I think. What do you think? I'm running out of places to put it all. Lovely purple. Kind of mauvey purple. Notoriously bad colour to try to photograph. Not sure that it's coming out true to colour. It's more purple than the magenta that it looks, I have to say. And it's called Plum. 1061 Plum. That's nice. That is good. I like that colour together with this one. Let's see how that goes. Nice. I'm enjoying these colours. They are lovely. I really like the sage and the other one as well. So then there's one left, which is a cream colour. But it's called Cream. Let's have a look. Cream! 1005 Cream. So there you go. Lots and lots of yarn. And then that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 18 balls, because I have exactly the same again. Lots of yarn for a freebie, don't you think? That's incredible. Lots and lots of yarn. Very impressed, actually. So I'm not really sure that I'll make this though. When you kind of design your own blankets and you make your own blankets, you just don't really get involved making other people's. I've got Persian tiles and all sorts of patterns that I haven't touched, which is silly, isn't it, to be fair? But and I think Crystal from Bag a Day is the same. She just, where she makes her own stuff, she doesn't tend to make anybody else's. But it's nice enough. I have made one similar to this in the past, where I had hexagons and little mini ones on the inside, or little mini diamonds and stuff in the gaps. I never know, I might do one again in the future, but it's well worth it for just the yarn alone, even I don't make the... See on the here you got this cushion with this kind of looks like a sun around it, and if you go the other side, it's pink. Pretty nice, but I probably won't make that, guys. I probably will just use this yarn on something that I fancy making. But there's some beautiful colours, I think, here. Interestingly, lots of kind of green, and the only duck egg is a greeny duck egg, isn't it? There's no blues, but it's beautiful. I do love that. Wow, that was a surprise, an absolute surprise, really. Honestly forgot, but you know, I know when I subscribe to the magazines, I quite often get the free gift. Like I got the sugar and cream cotton pack that I was making that handbag with. Still haven't finished that bag. Need to do that. Maybe in time for next summer, you know. I've had a lot of things happen which have kind of stopped me in my tracks. So that's my excuse. But I have a lot of special Aran in the other room. Some from Stylecraft and some from Deramores and some from another company whose name escapes me. So I've got quite a lot of colours that I can put together now. And I was going to make several character blankets and do tutorials for them. So when I'm over my operation and I'm back on my feet, I intend to get well and truly stuck into all of those tutorials that I've been wanting to make. So thanks for watching. I think that's absolutely fantastic. What a surprise. And I thought it was just a complete and utter mystery to me why it was in my maiden name. And I think that what must be is that years ago I subscribed to a magazine in my maiden name, and I must have signed in to that account to subscribe to this magazine rather than my current one. Dropping them. Rather than, I'm trying to get armfuls of yarn. There we go, nearly there. Mustard one in and the green one on there. Managed it, look, I have armfuls of yarn. Can't be bad, can it? Armfuls of yarn. Anyway, I'm just being silly. So, yeah. So I think that's what must have happened. Must have gone into the wrong account and subscribed. So anyway, doesn't matter. Still arrived to me and to this address, which is strange if it's in my maiden name. Maybe I noticed the address was wrong and just changed the address. But wasn't very observant, didn't see when I'm holding up my armfuls of yarn, I totally forgot this other pack. Wow, I am just in raptures. Absolutely fantastic. So even if I don't make that big blanket there and that cushion, I have enough of all of these colours to do something that really counts. Wow. All I need to do now is find a home for it. Easier said than done. At the moment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.